Ndewo. I'm Yvonne from Learn Igbo Now, and in this video we're going to talk about parrots and cameras. So the topic for today is Icheoku, na-ese, foto. Icheoku, na-ese, foto. But before we start, there are three main words that we're going to learn, and these words are Icheoku, parrot, se, to take photos, na-ese, camera. Ready? Let's begin. Ka anyị bido. Icheoku, na-ese, foto. Icheoku nwere na-ese. Na-ese Icheoku buru ibu. Icheoku na-ese foto na New York. Icheoku bụ osee foto. Icheoku sere foto taa. Icheoku eseghị foto ụnyaahụ. Icheoku na-ese foto ugbu a. That brings us to the end of today's story. To recap, the words we've learned today are Icheoku, parrot, se, to take photos, na-ese, camera. Don't forget to play this video over and over again and repeat all the sentences and the words until you can say them comfortably. That's it for today. Ka emesịa. See you soon. And if you haven't yet done so, do like this video and subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet done so. Ya gazie, ka emesịa.